Hey guys, introducing you to a brand which simplifies cooking for me and keeps it pure like home. So let's make some delicious paneer tikka masala from Godiam. Product contains no palm oil, no MSG, no chemicals. Pack comes with paneer tikkas and semi-cooked masala gravy. All you need to do is to add gravy to a hot pan or kadai, stir it for 2-3 minutes, add paneer tikkas and mix well. Each paneer tikka masala pack is created with premium ingredients with zero touch process and packed with flash freeze technology and can be stored up to 3 days. Now close the lid and simmer and cook for 2-3 minutes. You can add cream or butter for making it creamy, but this is optional. Transfer it to a bowl, garnish with cream and chopped coriander, and serve it with your favorite bread. Delicious paneer tikka masala is ready to be served. You can order your pack of goodness from goodiyam.in. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.